Let us now create a detailed view in Siemens NX drawing. To create a detailed view, go to the Home tab, click on Detailed View. You can select the type of detailed view you want: circular, rectangle by corners, rectangle by center and corner. So I'm going to choose circular. Select the center point where the detailed view needs to be created. We're going to select this point, specify the boundary. You can drag, look at the size. I'm okay with this size, so I'll click OK and select the place where you want the detailed view to be. I'm going to position it here. Click close to exit the detailed view. You can move the annotation as shown. You can position the annotation by dragging it.